Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. In today's video, I will show you how to lock your Facebook profile on your iPhone. We cannot lock our Facebook profile through Facebook app, so need to lock the profile in another way. This will require the Google Chrome app. You will find this app in the App Store. First, go to the App Store and search by typing Google Chrome. Install and open the app. Then click on the Facebook icon or do a Google search m.facebook.com. Then Facebook will open. Now click on three dots. Scroll down and click on Request Desktop Site. Now click on menu bar. Scroll down and click on Help and Support. Click on Help Center. Here, search by typing Profile Lock. Now, click How do I lock my profile on Facebook? Scroll down and click on Lock Profile. Now click on Lock Your Profile. You can see a pop-up, Locked Your Profile. Only your friends can see the photos, posts and stories on your profile. Click on OK. Now go to Facebook profile. You will see that your profile is locked. So this was today's video. Hope you liked the video. If you like, do like, comment, share and subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.